for JAMB for this year 2025 is going to kick off tomorrow, right? The exam is finally starting and it's starting tomorrow. So I want you to pay attention to this video. Let me tell you how and the things you can do both in your registration to avoid any stories and mistakes. Like many of you have been coming to my inbox to me on WhatsApp to say this one happened, you are having these challenges, you could not generate your profile code, you could not buy JAMB pin and all the rest. Remember that last year many candidates that wrote JAMB failed. There was massive failure, and I am saying in this channel that we are contributing our quota to ensure that you watching this video scores at least 300 in your JAMB. Now just pay attention to me. At the end of this video, remember also I'm going to give you free past questions. I'm going to give you free past questions on the first subjects you are studying. You are going to write for your JAMB. I'm going to also give you free syllables so that you read according to the syllables. Exam starts when? Tomorrow. Exam I'm talking about is not just the writing of the exam, but the process, the registration date. It was supposed to start on 15th of January, but now it is starting on 31st. And that 31st, if you are watching this video on 30th of January, that 31st, okay, exam starts today. That day for the exam has come, so you need to pay attention. You need to pay attention. The exam is starting on 31st of January. You need to pay attention to this video. Number one, very important, is ensure you have verified and registered NIN. I've talked about this over and over again. You must, if you have not done it, go and do it now. And I will not spend much time on this. Ensure you have a verified NIN, right? It's a very simple thing. Just go and do your NIN immediately. I won't dwell much on this, right? Just go and do your NIN. It's so important. Go to NIN office, get your NIN. If you have not done your own, please tell me so that I will guide you on what to do immediately, right? Your SIM card. By now you should have your own SIM card. Read what is on the screen. You should have your own SIM card, not your mother's own, not your father's own. It must be your own. It must be your own. Just go pay 100 naira or 500 naira or so, register your SIM card. Then they will now use that NIN and link it to your SIM card. Okay? Make sure your SIM card is registered with your NIN. It's very simple. If you're having issues, let me know. I've said don't use any other person's SIM card. Don't use any other person's SIM card for your JAMB registration. Email. By now you should have an email address. You should have an email address. Just go to gmail.com and open an email address. Within 5-10 minutes, you are done opening your email address, and it's very free. So go open your email address. You'll be needing it for your JAMB registration, right? It's very, 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 very important. Okay? Avoid late registration. Exam starts 31st of January. Exam starts 31st January. So start registering now. Go ahead and register now. If you have any issue, if you have any question, if you have any trouble registering, please do well to just let me know. Remember, at the end of this video, you are entitled to I'll give you free syllables of JAMB. I will also give you free past questions from JAMB, right? It's very, very important. Okay. Now, when you have done this, you have gotten your NIN, you have gotten your email address, you have gotten your SIM card, just get your profile code. I've done a video on how to get your profile code. I'm going to attach it to you. If you're having profile code issue, this is the video you should watch. I'm going to attach it in this video. Just click on description of this particular video you are watching. You will see this particular video. Remember, this is everything you need to know. Some of you don't even know the particular date for the JAMB, the particular date for mock of JAMB, the particular date for so and so. I've done another video. New dates. You know, exam was supposed to start, registration was supposed to start on 15th of January, but it was moved. So everything was adjusted. Everything was adjusted. Watch this video. I'm leaving it in the description for you to look at. So watch this video immediately. Okay? Then another one you need to watch is how to get your JAMB e-pin. Very important. How to get your JAMB electronic pin. So for you to get your JAMB e-pin, just watch this particular video. Now I've detailed everything for you. I've made it easy for you to learn, right? Okay. Some of you are also having issues with your JAMB combination. Today, as you start registering, ensure you don't make any mistake in choosing the wrong university for the course you want to study, or choosing the wrong subjects for the course you want to study. If you're having any issue with that, watch this video. I've attached it for you. So ensure you know the correct subject combination. These are very important. I've said this before and I'm saying it again, so that you avoid unnecessary mistakes. In this channel, you are going to score at least 300 in this coming JAMB. If you claim it, type "I claim it" in the comment section. I am seriously guiding you, teaching you, and I'm available to guide you to score at least 300 in your JAMB. If you claim it, let me know. Okay, very, very important. Then don't make mistake in filling your JAMB form. It is very important. I've done a video. I will attach it in the description of this video. I will also add the link somewhere. You should not make any mistake in filling your JAMB form. One single simple mistake you make can affect you. It can hinder you from getting admission. So don't make any mistake. If you have any issue, any question concerning JAMB filling of form, watch this video. After watching it, if you still have issues, let me know. Very, very crucial. Okay? Then you know that the book JAMB is using for this year's use of English, a compulsory book, is a book called Lekki Headmaster. So I've been helping you in our channel. I've been helping you by reading the book for you chapter by chapter. But beyond that, beyond reading Lekki Headmaster for you, I've also been helping you by what have I been doing? I've been helping you by summarizing the book chapter by chapter. And beyond that, we have also been doing expo on questions that JAMB will select, that JAMB will ask from that book. There are questions JAMB will ask from that book, Lekki Headmaster, which every JAMB candidate must get, right? So I've done it for you, expo questions. I've done video 1, video 2, video 3. I will attach the videos for you. So what you just need to do is go to our channel, click on playlist, then go to the video we did on Lekki Headmaster. Just click on playlist of Lekki Headmaster. Click on it. You will see all the expo questions we have given you and all the review of the book chapter by chapter. Is very important. Now, if you want to get those past questions, free of charge, if you want to get past questions free of charge, do 3 things. Say thanks. You can see an option to say thanks in our channel. Then like this video. Just boop the like button. Click on share this video. You can copy the link and share it on WhatsApp groups and all the JAMB WhatsApp group you belong to, so that more and more people can benefit. Then subscribe, which is most important. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. When you subscribe, then for you to get free syllables, free past questions, and every other material you need, just comment under the comment and say I have subscribed. That is, when you comment, I claim it. If you are claiming that you write, you will get at least 300 in your JAMB. Then come under the comment of this video and type, when you subscribe, type I have subscribed. Once I see you type I have subscribed, I will chat you up and send you those materials. Remember to watch this video on the screen now.